Welcome to Power BI Essentials course. This course is ideal for someone coming from an Excel background who wants to take their analysis to the next level using Power BI. In this course, you'll learn how to turn raw data into interactive reports and business insight. We'll start with data in Excel, and by the end of the course, you'll be able to build and publish your first Power BI report from start to finish. We'll begin by exploring data analysis cycle, the key step involved in performing data analysis, regardless of the tool you use. Whether you are working in Excel, Tableau, or Power BI, the same fundamental process applies. Once we understand that cycle, we'll look at how these steps are typically performed in Excel and discuss some of the common challenges people face when doing analysis there. From there, you will see how Power BI solves many of those challenges in a smarter and more scalable way. Along the way, we'll cover several important topics. We'll start by introducing the Power BI ecosystem, including the different Power BI products and the licenses commonly used. Next, we'll move into data transformation, where you'll learn how to clean and shape your data inside Power BI using powerful built-in tools. After that, we'll cover data modeling, where you will learn how to connect different data sets using relationships so they work together for analysis. Then, we'll move into data visualization, where you will learn how to build professional dashboards and reports, understand how visuals interact with each other, and apply best practices for designing reports that are clear and useful for business users. Finally, we'll look at how to publish your reports to Power BI service, share them with others in the organization, manage workspaces, and make your reports accessible across devices. By the end of the course, you'll understand the complete Power BI workflow from raw data to fully built and shared analytical report. Let's dive in.